Oh, you're a baby, aren't you? My goodness. No, don't get too close. Oh, how precious you are. Yeah, don't get too... You go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. All right, I'll let you be. Don't want you to get too acquainted. There's another one. They're babies. They've got to be babies. This one of them was trying to bite my tires. Yeah, he came over and wanted to nip at him. It was really interesting. Yeah, I just don't want them to get acquainted to humans. Goodness. But they sure are beautiful.
I'm sorry? Watch out.
Coyotes.
I'll be darned.